If you've ever wanted to use your Cash App balance to order from Doordash but don't have your physical Cash App debit card, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add Cash App as a payment method on Doordash, step by step, so you can start ordering with just your phone. First, open the Doordash app and tap the Me tab, which is the profile icon on the far right. This will take you to your account page. Next, tap on Settings, which looks like a little gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, find and select Payments. This is where you manage all your payment methods for Doordash. Now scroll down until you see Cash App Pay. Tap on it and this will automatically open your Cash App. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to connect Cash App as a payment method. Just tap Confirm, then enter your Cash App PIN, the same one you use for your Cash App account or debit card, and hit Next. Once you've verified, you'll be redirected back to Doordash. If everything went through successfully, you should now see your Cash App cash tag listed as one of your payment methods. That means you're ready to use your Cash App balance to pay for Doordash orders. No physical card required, and that's it. Super simple and secure. This method lets you make the most of your Cash App funds and keeps the process completely digital. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides like this one. And if you want to learn other smart ways to save money while ordering online, check the description for links to more tips and tricks.